Hey, what's going on, everyone? It's Andrew Mayer here, back with another video. And today we're going to be talking about Drupal, which is a content management system framework, which is extremely flexible and can be used to model data in many different ways. It's an abstraction on top of databases and allows you to use and leverage the power of a database to fit a specific data model and mold it in a way so that users can interact with it. It's extremely complicated, but it's very flexible. Today, I'm going to be talking to you specifically about the flexibility of the views function, which is how you can disseminate data and make it so that end users can view it. So here we have a view that I've made for the COVID-19 dashboard that I've been talking about as I've gone through different database videos. So here we have a hospital's view, which lists the hospital, type of hospital, its location, and its zip code. This is a view that I made where the content type, which is what's called in Drupal, is a hospital. So the title, hospital class, and location are all fields of that content type. And then the location field is actually referenced. It's a different content type, but it's referenced within a specific hospital. And that's where we're able to query the zip code from, because we have referenced the location within the hospital content type. But let's say we wanted to add some more fields to this view. Well, we can go into and edit the view and add some of the fields. So there are some other different fields within the hospital content type. For example, the total number of ICU beds, which we're going to add. We can just add that there, and then that will populate up in our table down here for each of the hospitals. But let's say we wanted to add some more information from the location field. So I had already gone and added this relationship to attach um, the location field to the hospital field. But when we go and add a field such as population density, which is a field for each location, we can specify that we want to use that location relationship between location and the hospital. We can hit apply, and now we have the population density showing up in our table relating to each of the different locations. The way that this all works is through a database. When you set up Drupal, it's going to create a very complex database that you're going to use when you're inputting your data, when you're storing your data. When you go to access a view, such as we have here, the back end of the Drupal application has to perform some SQL queries, some SQL select queries to select the data that you want to see, and then some SQL join queries to join the data from different tables. And that's what allows us to have such flexible views that we can set up, because we're able to perform these SQL queries on the database to pull that data off and show it to us as an end user. All right, guys, that's just a quick overview of the Drupal views function and how you can set up views in any way you want. They can be very flexible, relate different content types, pull fields from different content types. It's just really a great way to show your data and really bring a lot of information to your end users. All right, that's all I have for today, guys, and I'll talk to you in the next video.